Big Daddy, luxurious yet practical 7-seater, elegant yet traditional. This car has got lots of presence. It's not cheap, but you knew that already. The question is it worth the money? All the seats are up, and this is the amount of boot space you're getting. Very, very impressive. To fold the seats, you just press the button, and then you have a big truck or a space to put your mattress, since you've spent all your money on purchasing the GLS. The back seat feels absolutely lovely. It is just so airy and breezy. The seats are soft and comfortable. If you haven't got a person in the middle, you do have an armrest and a touchpad with which you can operate your seats, ambient lighting, and all the gimmicks. I hope by now you understand where your money is going. Third and last row of seats, I'm actually positively surprised. You've got plenty of headroom. Knee room is limited, but it's not bad at all. You can sort of stretch and still relax. And if you push it, you can probably fit 3 children here. Well done, Mercedes. The cabin looks and feels soft, lush, welcoming, especially with these warm colors. The quality of the materials, the fit and finish is excellent. There's plenty of storage space and practicalities. Moving on to the smart screen, MBUX, and in my personal opinion, together with iDrive from BMW, these two are top infotainment systems available on the market. Easy, straightforward, very intuitive. I'll show you the graphics, crisp, crystal clear, and the system rapidly responds to the touch of my finger. You can also use a pad down here, and you even have a wrist rest so you don't get too tired. Shortcut buttons, traditional knob for volume control, traditional knob to change your driving mode. You've got the off-road settings down here as well. At this time of the year, ambient lighting is a lifesaver. I do like this cabin. Oh, I like it a lot. It feels so luxe. The air suspension, which comes as standard, is absolutely delightful. I'm just wafting along softly over potholes and speed bumps. This is such a gorgeous, quiet cruiser. The steering is light and gentle, yet responsive, and it suits the character of this car perfectly. Now, this is a big daddy, yet surprisingly, it's so easy to drive and maneuver it. You're sitting higher up, like on a throne, having good all-round visibility, fantastic cameras, great turning circle, monitoring the road in style and serenity. Under the bonnet, I've got a 3-liter straight-6 turbocharged petrol engine. Good old-fashioned love, baby. 381 horses, 500 Nm of torque. You've got other engine choices, including diesel, which I think suits this car ever so well. In the past, I used to think that diesel engines don't suit such noble cars. Today, I look back and I think to myself, dude, what were you thinking? What is wrong with you? Especially that the 3-liter straight-6 diesel engines from Mercedes are absolutely glorious. The 8-cylinder ones, even more so. I'm averaging 13 to 14 liters. This is the combination of roads. It is the middle of winter. Diesel would be cheaper to run if you're covering long distances, which I think this car is truly designed for. Having said that, this engine is beautiful, strong, powerful, responsive. Exactly what a heavy car needs. Together with the 9-speed automatic gearbox, it works so well, smoothly, seamlessly, like a perfect marriage. Now, this is a tall, big car, yet it handles so well. We've got all-wheel drive system. It feels solid, planted, and when you accelerate around the corner, you won't be wrapping your teeth around the very next tree. And if you're going on a twisty road, you can flick it to what's so-called the curve mode. This adjusts your suspension and gives you that extra boost of confidence. I like this car. I like it a lot. The ride quality is superb. Driving dynamics can't fault. I like how it looks. A bit flashy, but classy. And when I look at it, there's just something majestic about it. Most SUVs can't pull it off. So my final verdict, this sweet, juicy peach is definitely worth the dollars. What do you think? Thank you very much for watching. Bye.